Hi everyone, I went back to JoAnn's again to another location near me, and this one also will be closing. So now they'll both be closing in 11 days. So I got about 28 items here for 25 change, just under 26 bucks. So these were like scattered all over the store, right? It's not like they were in a nice little area. Like you really had to like look around because it's totally empty now except for the fabric department. And so like they have little aisles with just things, just stuff thrown everywhere. You don't know what the prices are, nothing. So the register, these are 80 cents and they rang up 20 cents. So I got three because that's all I could find. And this will be so cute for Happy Mail and for Christmas if I want to do little shakers. They're little Christmas trees. So, I can use some, I can give some away. That was great. And plus the bottle, to have the bottle after, you can always put a sequins mix in there or whatever you want. This little guy, no idea where he came from. He was in with a bin of ribbons. I don't even know how I found it. It was outside. It was way down in the bottom with the ribbons. And I love Jolie's boutique stickers. Most of them are really, really nice. And these are so cute, aren't they? And so these were ringing up, I think, like 90 cents or 80 cents. So, hey, I got it. There was in crazy places. These two things of Easter Ironons were so cute. And these two, I think, I think these rang up at $1.20. And these would be so cute to like put on bows, or to put on like a rosette or something. So I saw two and I got two. And the rest, my friends, is ribbon, and more ribbon. All the Christmas ribbon is now 90% off. And so, I don't know. I paid like 80 cents, 50 cents, 59 cents. Actually, I think it was even 50 cents because I think as you bought more items, they were taking more money off. So they have tons of ribbon over there that is really thick, nice ribbon. I don't use the thick ribbon, so I didn't buy any of it. I only use the thin ribbon. So, but I did find this. It was really pretty. And these are pretty for when I do my unicorn journals. I can wrap up the journal with this because I have some pretty ribbon now to use from Temu a while back. It's all iridescent, but how long is that going to last me? I don't know. I got quite a bit left, but hey, I don't know when I'm going to run out. So, yeah, these were $5.99. So I think these came out to Actually, these ones came out to like $2 change. I didn't care though because it's so pretty. It's a nice thickness to put it around the journal. So 1, 2, 3. I got 4 of those to stock up on. Guys, where am I going to put this? I don't know. Then, let's see. For Christmas, because Christmas isn't always... Christmas colors you can use year round for my journals. But for the Christmas, I got 2... I can't think of the name. 2 gingerbreads with the candy canes and this candy cane trim. That'll be good for Christmas journals. All right. And then the ones I can use every day are... I got these red ones. This is a velvet. This one has the shimmery sides, the glittery sides on it. This one is just a red one, and then this one is a darker red. And then Also, here's another one with that shimmery. There wasn't many left of these. There's tons of wide ribbon with the wired edge and everything. Tons of those, but these are very hard to find in the stores. I got another dark green there. Like, I really had to dig to find these. I got this red. I love this when I'm tying up my tassels. I like to use a thin ribbon to tie them up. And that's what I like to use, that size. I got, what is this? This is organza ribbon. It's like a greenish, like a lime green. I saw this purple, this pretty purple, and it's got the, like the iridescent on the sides of it. So I got that one. This is already coming undone. I got this pinkish color. I got another, this is a green, a sparkly green. This fuchsia color. Another sparkly green. I got another, this is a deep red. I love this one because it's got the little loops on it. That's nice for decoration on the tassels. Gives it a little something. And I got this also in black from another store. I got a couple of those in black a previous time. And then I got some pink gingham ribbon. And I didn't like it because it looked off center, like it didn't look right. So I haven't gotten it lately at JoAnn. But then this particular one, it's fine. Excuse me. It doesn't look like that. It doesn't look off. So I got that one. And I like to use that when I do my, I have a particular fabric that I do my Highland cow journals with. And the pink gingham goes so good with that. Now, I'm kind of bummed out because I don't see it anymore at JoAnn's. I haven't seen it at JoAnn's in a long time. So I'll never be able to get it again. But this is it. And I might be able to get, I don't know, can I get one more journal out of this? Let me see. I might be able to get one more journal out of this. So that sucks, but they don't have it anywhere. I looked. I mean, I saw it. I saw it like last year or a couple of years ago, and I was like, oh yeah, I see that. But I have a ton of it, and it had, and it wasn't really picking up that well, so I didn't get any more. And then now it's like everyone loves that Highland cow, so it's like, yeah, figures, So that's what I got. But I just want to show you guys my ribbon wall. I want to show you that there's no room for this. I'm going to have to put this in another box somehow. Here, let me take you off here. And I'll show you. This is my ribbon wall. So then, Katie from Simply Katie Walks gave us that for when we did our walking challenge. I got all these from Kawaii Memo Love, Christine. She's always giving me like awesome things. I got this tassel from Margie at Margie's This, That, and Beyond. I also got this pumpkin from Kawaii Memo Love. Somebody gave me this charm. I forget who it was, but it could have been Creative Chica Holes and Crafts, which she changed her channel name now. I can't remember what it is because she gave me that. So she must have given me the thing with it. Here's, oh my God, I call this one Petunia. So Christine gave me that one too, if I didn't show it already. So I keep my little things over there, right? So I got all, but then you come over here, right? Here's all my boxes to mail stuff away. Doesn't it look beautiful over there? It looks terrible. And then this, I got all these. Oh, it's dark. You can't see. I got all these pinks and blues in there. And then I got all these. So I don't know. I got to put in another thing. And then this one's all my Halloween ones. Anything to do with Halloween is in here. So, guys, I need a bigger box. I don't know. I'll have to put that away. So that's what it's looking like. There's the sewing machine. Ugly, isn't it? It's ugly. This pulls up, this lifts up, and this thing pulls out, and it's like a storage thing, like you know, whatever. That's about it. What else do I have on my desk? That beautiful card from Stace is just sitting there right now. Here's my desk. Anytime somebody gives me pens, they go in there. So I'll need another one soon. My wands go in that other one. And you know, you've seen my craft room before. Here's all my crystals up there. All the rough ones are in my hutch, and the other rough ones are on a table in my living room near the big picture window. Other than that, they're all here. I'm not buying anymore. That's enough. Here's all my stuff. There's all my stuff up there. People have made for me. I made that. I made this. Then, you know, we got my things over there and over there and over here. All my inks and ribbons and stuff in there. And then in my drawer, I got all Gina K inks down here. I know, it's a mess in here. Gina K inks. I don't know what this is. This is a magic and eraser, but it's brand new. And I stuck it here. So it must be grazing up on this. And I don't know. It's making it that color. I don't know. Maybe there's ink in here. I don't know. I don't know what happened there. So I got all Gina K inks down here in this one. It's a mess. And then in this one, I have some more Gina K inks. These are my little pins for when my glues get clogged. I got all my little things here. My daubers. That's not all of them, guys. That's just what I got right here. I got tons. I got my, you know, silicone, what do you call these? I don't know. The blocks. What is it? Silicone blocks? Is that what we call it? I don't know. Yeah, so that's about it, guys. It's just, you know, oh, Misty made me that. Oh, Crafty Sue. She made me that, I wanted a Halloween, octopus, and she made me this, and she put all Halloween, trims on it. We even have some little charms somewhere dangling down. Like, I could look at this forever. There's, like, all kind of stuff. Bex gave me this bat, which I love. Martha from Martha Makes Art made me that beautiful picture there. She complained it had too much glitter on it. It does not. It's beautiful. That's a close-up of what Misty made for me. Mystical Misty Wand. And then my daughter used to do these paintings. Sorry it's so dark in here, but it looks really cool. She has a bunch of them. She's like, I'm not taking those to my place. They don't match with anything. I'm like, so you made them, so now they're in there. Oh, that's not everything. Look. And here's my closet. Yes. Yes. I need more room. So all my papers are down there, and adhesives are there, and mediums are down there, and papers are up here. This is all the like the plain papers, and then all the pattern papers are down there, and it even goes in here. There's more stuff. And then we have this side. Lord help me. Crystal has some of her stuff still here. Is she ever going to come to get it? I don't know. So I have more things. I got my glitter glue over there. There's more of her paintings and stuff. I got some books here to rip out pages and stuff. This is a very old atlas. I have that. This is for ironing that's for ironing my fabrics. And here's all my laces. And here's some ephemera bits in here. And there's There's seam binding in here, and my trims are over here. More lace. Here's all my journals. I store them all in there. And now I got a bunch on top here because I'm running out of room. Here's my beaded pens. Right there. This is all my scrap paper. Right in this one. Not too much scrap. This is a whole sheet of music sheets in there. These are things people have given me. Jessica from Jessica's Cards and Crafts made me this. Christine from Kawaii Memo Love made me this. I think she made me this too. There's pom-poms in there. Christine, did you make this? You might have. I can't remember. I think she did. Karamia made me that. Here's my chunky charms down here, just because I have nowhere to put them. And then on here, I got ink on it. I don't know, it doesn't come off. This is the ironing thing I can iron my fabrics right on here. And I got all my Scrap Diva designs in here and my spooky stuff in these two. Yeah. There's my box of manila folders. That's it, just pink and green. That's it. So now I gotta find a spot for this ribbon. Anyway, I didn't know I was doing this little tour today, but I guess I did. So that's what I have for today. Thanks for watching. Happy crafting, and I will catch you next time. Bye.